know why it took me so long. You left to Arizona, I stayed in California.
Alright, what is good YouTube? It's your boy Mikey, and yes, I know it's been a hot minute. It's been like 2 weeks since I recorded and done a video for you guys. I know it's been really crazy out here, you know, the whole coronavirus and everything, but that's been happening. It's been crazy. I know shit's been just like hitting the fan, but just know your boy's alright. My class got canceled, so we're doing it all online now, and it's just been, it sucks. They might as well just cancel school because there's really no point. But today what we're going to be doing is we're going to cop the Supreme Oreos. Because, you know, it's that time. It's about that time. Finally they released something that's kind of useless. But you know what? I'm still going to buy it because that's just what I do. We're going to cop some of that. I'm pretty excited. And I know it's a Timberland collab as well this week. The crew neck is probably the most popular out of the whole collab because I don't think anything else is really that great. Probably the only things that people are really going to go for. I don't really see people going for anything else. The shoes, I know people aren't really going to go for that much, but I feel like they still are going to sell out, just not as fast. I'm not really too excited about that collab. I just want to see Easy collab. That's all I want. I don't know why it's so hard, but that's happening this week, so I'm excited, but at the same time I'm just like, I just want the Oreos. And apparently the retail price is $3 instead of $8 that was rumored before, so your boy's about to really cop. I'm about to cop a shit ton of Oreos. And I know it seems kind of odd to have like an Oreo in your Supreme collection, but I don't think it's going to be a collection because I'm probably going to eat the shit, to be honest with you. That's what we're going to be going for. The number one item is Oreos. I do not know how fast they're going to sell out. To be honest with you, they're probably going to sell out super fast. And this is only a US exclusive, so EU didn't even get a chance to even get the Oreos. So, you know that demand's going to be crazy. We're going for the Oreos and nothing else. I feel like if I just go for the Oreos, that'll be the best move for me. If I go for two items, like the crew neck, the cream colorway, and small, I'm probably going to be way too late. And before we get started into this video, make sure you guys go bump a like on this video if you like me doing content like this. And also subscribe to the Comeback Kid as always, and ring the bell to get notified whenever I come out with a video or an update about anything. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so what is good YouTube? We got about like a minute left. Of course I'm just gonna be going for the Oreos, but hella people on Discord are already messaging me like, why are you just going for Oreos? And I'm just like, bro, I gotta pay off a lot of stuff, so we're just going for Oreos. And if not, if I don't cop, maybe I'll get something else. I'm not gonna go for the small cream crew neck, obviously, because it's either the Oreos or that. Those both are gonna be sold out very fast. So yeah, it's pretty much the gist of what it is right now. So we got about a minute left. Yep, we're live. We are live. It's not loading. It's not loading. Of course. Come on, Supreme. Don't be disgusting again, please. There we go. Keep refreshing that. I keep forgetting to refresh everything. Yep, small's already gone. So, yep, we're just going for. Yeah, this website is so slow right now. Oh my god. I don't know if it's my Wi-Fi. I know my Wi-Fi's been kind of tripping, but man. Got the cart. Let's do that. Alright, I'll let that load up. Ugh. Oh, yep. Cream's already sold out. Look at that. Large sold out. It is what it is. Oh my god, it's not processing my payment. Oh my god. It's bringing me back to the. Oh my god. Oh my god. The website's already being disgusting, as it usually is. Can't even check out again. Bro, I just want Oreos. How hard is it? Oh my god. I just want Oreos. I just want Oreos. I don't know how hard that is to ask for. Okay, yeah, website is like tripping out right now. Oh, wow. You're kidding me. You're actually kidding me right now. The Oreos are so... Bruh. And my cart. I had to bitch my cart. Oh my god. I'm gonna cop anything at this point, dude. That's fucking ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Oh my god. I told you I only wanted to single cart one thing because I'm already knowing like niggas are gonna be on our heads about this shit. Yep. And those that's glitching. Great. I love that. I love Supreme. I love Supreme when I do this. It's my favorite. Can't check out, can't do anything. I love that. Everybody messaging. I can't believe they actually sold out. Oh my god. That is a shame, y'all. That is really a shame. I already know that Critics sold out. Most of them sold out. Just the green and natural. Oh my god. Imagine running bots on Oreos. Imagine? Like, just imagine? Like, what? To be honest, I wasn't paying attention. Website's bugging like crazy right now. Let's go for hats. Let's go for some hats. Oh, I don't know. Bags. Nah. This sucks. Bro, fuck Supreme, bro. Oh my god. I just want Oreos. I don't know how hard that was to ask. Well, y'all, it's looking really unfortunate right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, this is absolutely crazy. This is stupid. People are actually running shit on Oreos. I don't know, man. Imagine running a bot at 7 a.m., waking up, really just task managing everything. Just imagine. Like, I don't know, it couldn't be me, but you know, it's just fucking Oreos. I just wanted it as a joke and just to eat them. So I mean, it's whatever. But people were fucking ridiculous over these shits. But I'm gonna end the video like that, y'all. I'm sorry I couldn't cop anything. I'm not copying anything else because I'm not about to waste money. So make sure you guys go subscribe to my channel as always and like the vid as always as well. And I will see you guys next time. Be safe, be healthy, and yeah, wash your hands because it's not a difficult thing to do. See ya.